The Bay of KOTOR is a winding bay of the Adriatic Sea in southwestern Montenegro. It is about 28 kilometers long, with a shoreline extending 107 kilometers. It is surrounded by two massifs of the Dinaric Alps, the Orion Mountains to the west and the Lovchen Mountains to the east. The narrowest section of the bay is Verige Strait, with only 340 meters wide at its narrowest point. The bay is a area of the vanished Bocheli River, which used to flow from the high mountains plateaus of Mount Orion. The bay is composed of several smaller broad bays united by narrower channels. The bay inlet was formerly a river system. Tectonic and karstification processes led to the disintegration of this river. After heavy rains, the waterfall of Sopot Spring at Risan appears, and Skurda, another well-known spring, runs through a canyon from Lovchen. The outermost part of the bay is the Bay of Tivat. On the seaward side is the Bay of Herceg-Novi, at the main entrance to the Bay of KOTOR. The inner bays are the Bay of Risan to the northwest and the Bay of KOTOR to the southeast. The Verige Strait represents the bay's narrowest section and is located between Cape Nadiela and Cape Opotovo. It separates the inner bay east of the strait from the Bay of Tivat. Portul Montenegro. Asta e al treilea vas de croazieră care trece.